Hi everyone, it's Shane from Hanlon's for another Maintenance Monday. Today we're going to talk about air intake hoses. It's becoming a more common problem as these tractors get older and older, where we run into when the techs are going through and doing inspections where they're running into cracks in the intake hoses. And so it's just something for you to have a look at when you're doing your own servicing at home. This one happens to be a 900 series tractor. This one is an older one, but it applies to S4s. Usually not that big of a deal on a Gen 6 or a Gen 7 yet, but anything that's 5 years or older especially, start having a close look. And so where you want to look is you want to look on the bend on the hose here as well as this bend, and then especially around the edge of the clamps. We'll attach some pictures that you can look at to see what a damaged one looks like, but what's happening is the guys are noticing this when they're working on these things, and so far we haven't seen any dusted engines, but that's basically the result. Is if you get that crack in there, you're probably going to take your turbo out and eventually it'll take your engine out. So have a peek at that when you're maintaining. It's like a one minute deal to have a good look. And then if you've got questions, by all means give us a call. Hopefully that helps you out. Thanks for watching.